The Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Shillong City Unit, along with members of the Darbar Shnong Rinja, had conducted an inspection on the 8th of April 2025 at a local eatery named Rajshri Sweets and Snacks in the Rinja area, following multiple complaints from the public regarding unhygienic conditions in the shop's kitchen. During the inspection, Hito members alleged that the owner of the establishment did not possess the necessary trading and labor licenses required to operate. They also pointed out that several employees working at the sweet and snack outlet, including those in the kitchen and dairy section, lacked valid documentation to work in the state. Following these findings, Hito Shillong City members took the step to seal the shop, citing serious deficiencies and non-compliance observed during their visit.
I have to come and see. I never drink tea, I never do anything. I have to come, as to see. Has to go down also.
Those criminal records of yours also, of your when you came from brothers, they came here without labor license, drink license. Doesn't work like that. No, I have proof with me. I have proof with me. Don't argue about that. I have proof with me.
Whatever I have seen from there, criminal report to
And then that day the incident happened, you know.
Ini nakaliang yung kaito strong C, akan ni C tempat trek yung penaibel, iwan mencek di labor license permanent. Yang ini kita kan non tribal kita bisa kita badan ini rendah. Jadi ngetrai lang makasnong. Ayun kami kat irang badong. Hadian bagi lawan inspect ilap mo di Jakasyat di Jakasa di Kilong Kijabo bah mendai tang mamulu malaru kita jabo kita topi bah karkom trai ke jongki. Hadian bagi apa ikut slag jongki labor license training license work training license tu bon dibelakon. Labor license ni dia kibon kipomdan kira bon ba kimdan Kimdan hirma kim renew Kimdan kimai ke nin ai kini buat sakaput and safety hadinya try lang bersnong de hadian mengila ada penkhang tala kawai ka dukan jong non tribal de urang ba shabi ngila IT bersnong hai rang badam de kani ka first checking ka jongi kanang yailan nang nismat kawai ngaspa aku buat sepeda ala da pirong hasini kidairi dah siar banbam gidimbam nomor ba ma nabar ni ki internet ki don tiles ki don ki pendiang ki pentre andrai buat support bat ka jingjeing ka serkai ba de hadian bangi ya jaka ni ya jaka ni ka inspection ke jongi ni yo dingtep ki jan ki non tribal ki ba wan ri pengen senia ki bladon ka criminal record nabar with proof kata ngiyo dan criminal record tinggal pungkang telah saya kalukan hadian ingin saya semrai ingin ya keren bagi CM ingin ya likmi saya kedipanan hotel tiba-tiba ban pet ban kemi dan kania dengan jangan tang ingin saya meeting ingin saya semrai kerai senjam kayak gitu boleh tang polisi buat